What if I told you that you already have an executive assistant, a researcher, and a project manager sitting right on your computer, but you just haven't met them yet? Introducing Valet, the next generation personalized AI assistant. Valet isn't just another chatbot, which just forgets everything after 5 minutes and makes its own fairy tale character straight from Disneyland. It's a personalized AI built to literally act on your behalf, remember your entire workspace, and give you the superpower of 24 into 7 digital agentic assistance. To make Valet fast, secure, and incredibly smart, we had to build a custom 4-part microservice architecture. First, the client layer consists of a dynamic web page dashboard built with React and a native desktop app built in Electron. These act as visual interfaces for Valet. Next, a Node.js gateway server handles the security, managing JWT authentication, real-time WebSocket streaming, and Postgres SQL database tracking. But the true magic, the actual brain of this operation, is the Python AI service. It's nothing other than Cogni. Standard AI chatbots fail because they rely on basic conversational history. Once they hit the context limit, they forget everything. To solve this, we have integrated Cogni, the cutting-edge memory framework that takes unstructured data and builds intelligent schematic knowledge graphs. Instead of just dumping text into a vector database and hoping for the best, Cogni allows Valet to map out concepts into the workflow, build relationships in the workflow, and have a historical context just like our human brain does. When we ask Valet for a question, it does not just read a transcript, it traverses through a graph, ensuring that it knows and follows through the actual true mind map. It's also agentic. That means it knows the time, the date, it can search for something, it can create files, it can delete files, it can read files, therefore making it the best personal assistant that can be. We have learned a lot building Valet. It was a massive learning experience. Honestly, the biggest challenge was figuring out how to seamlessly bridge this heavy Python environment with an extremely fast node gateway. We learned about real-time data pipelines without bottlenecks between two different frameworks altogether, which honestly was a massive learning experience. We also learned about the incredible power of Cogni, built and integrated together with LLMs to bring us a revolution in personalized AI systems. We also learned quite a lot about vectored database and LLM memory structures work under the hood. I'm incredibly proud of how Valet has turned out to be, and I would like to show you a bit of a demonstration of it. I'm going to bring you straight to the dashboard. I'm going to show you the sign up. You can enter your name, the email, the password, and of course, you need to confirm your password. If you mess up the confirmation of the password, it will tell you the issues with it. Of course, this does not even match the original criteria, and therefore it gives an error. So as you can see, the user with this email already exists, and therefore we cannot enter again. I'm going to show you the sign in now. We have 2FA enabled here, so we will get an email to give the OTP, which is valid for 5 minutes. So welcome to the dashboard. Here you can see your account, the email that your account is linked with, the tokens remaining, your membership starting date, and the tier, and your graphical analytics for the past 7 days of usage. And this was the gist of all the analytics that you can see on the Violet dashboard. Welcome to the Violet Personal Assistant, the app that sits on your laptop, there, ready to help you. First of all, we need to sign in or sign up. Of course, we have an account, so we will just sign in. We will give our credentials, and we're in. This is the personal assistance, the interface where you will work. Of course, we can create a new chat. Let's create a new project. Let's create the chat. Let's ask it something. Hey, what is left on our to-do list? Okay, so after a while, we can see that Violet is answered. Okay, so we need to revise the B2B deal with newcorp.co, and we have a meeting tomorrow. We need to notify about the recruitment, okay, and a review process. Okay, makes sense. But as I said, it's agentic. So let's search up something. For example, if I want to see what B2B is, we can ask it something. So if I search to explain what B2B is, it will reply as a search. Well, that was very informative. How about this? Can you create a new file? What should the file name be and what content should I put? Okay, name the file test 11. So it's asking for what contents I should put in. Let's see. Why should that sounds about right? Let's send it. Let it work. Okay, nice. Makes sense. Let's look at task one. Oh, this was the recruiting one. Let's look at task two. Okay, it's the business deal. And let's look at test 11. Let's open it with Notepad. And I couldn't agree more. This whole project has been possible because of Cogni's ability and feasibility to keep memory to LLMs. This helped us to build and manipulate and work on the workflows and work directories, creating a proper agentic personalized AI. We hope you like it, and we hope that it was up to the standards of Cogni. Thank you so much.